Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automate email sequence in Zapier. This is incredibly useful when you want to send timed follow-up emails automatically, like welcoming new subscribers or nurturing leads without lifting a finger. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where all the magic happens. Now, click the Zap button to start creating your automation. This is where you'll build the workflow that connects your apps together. Next, click the trigger button. The trigger is what starts your automation, so you want to choose the right one, search for and select Google Forms as your trigger app. This means every time someone submits a form, your email sequence will kick off from the drop-down menu. Choose a trigger event such as new form response. This ensures Zapier watches for fresh submissions. Now you need to connect your Google Forms account, click Sign In, and follow the prompts to authorize Zapier to access your forms. Once that's done, click Continue. You'll then see a dropdown where you can select the specific form you want to monitor, choose your form, and click Continue again. At this point, click Test Trigger to pull in sample data from your form. This helps Zapier understand what information it's working with. Once the test completes, click Continue. Now let's set up the first email. Click the Action button, then search for and select Gmail. This is the app that will send your emails from the drop-down menu. Choose the Send Email event. You'll need to connect your Gmail account here, so follow the authorization steps to link it with Zapier. Once connected, you'll see fields to configure your email. In the To field, click and select the dynamic data from your trigger step, like email, so each response sends to the correct person. In the Subject field, type something like welcome or whatever fits your sequence. Then in the Body field, write out your email message. This is your first email in the sequence. After filling everything in, click Continue. Test the action by clicking Test Action to make sure the email sends properly. Once it works, click Publish for this step. Now here's where the sequence gets powerful. To add delays between emails, click the plus icon after your Gmail action. Search for Delay by Zapier and select it. Choose Delay for as the event type, then set your desired time, like 3 days. This creates a pause before the next email goes out. Test this delay step and continue. After the delay, add another Gmail action by clicking the plus icon again. Repeat the same process, select Gmail, choose Send Email, fill in your To subject and body fields with your second email content, then test and continue. You can keep adding more delays and emails this way to build out your full sequence. Finally, when you're happy with your entire email sequence, click Publish Zap at the top of the page. This activates your automation so it runs automatically whenever someone submits your form. And that's it. You've just created an automated email sequence in Zapier that sends timed follow-ups without any manual work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.